We are calling this one Country in Comox. It's Justin White here with High Tide Real Estate Group, powered by EXP. And we are proud to introduce you to our newest listing at 896 Acacia Road in Comox. This is over a ½ acre lot, and it is surrounded by well-established fir trees. You will not believe that you are in the heart of Comox and only minutes away from Costco, Home Depot, Land and Sea Brewery, and the Comox Harbor, all your favorite hotspots. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath has an unfinished basement that can be used for any idea. You want to have a rec room? You want to have a guy's cave? You want to have your private gym? Whatever you want, you can create it there. And attention, mechanics and carpenters, we have the shop for you. 28 by 24 square foot insulated with all the amenities. So come, let's check out 896 Acacia Road, Comox. Attention, woodworkers and mechanics. I've got the place for you. This 28 by 24 square foot building is steel construction, fully insulated. It has a 240 volt plug-in as well as commercial air compressor, concrete floors. You're gonna love these double wide sliding barn doors that'll fit all your large equipment and your vehicles. Mechanics, carpenters, this is the one for you. Just a stone throw away is downtown Comox, with many services including boutique shopping, unique dining experiences, cafes, and West Coast inspired pubs. Like golf? We got you covered. Come for a tea time and stay for a lifetime with the award-winning Crown Isle Golf Resort and the park, just minutes away from your new home. Enjoy the annual display of Canada's famous snowbirds over CFB Comox and relive the Canadian history at 19 Wing. Hello, tropical vacation. YQQ International Airport is nearby with regular daily flights for easy travel access. If you're ready to live the West Coast dream, then this property we call Country in the town of Comox is ready for you. And if you're curious on this listing or any other listing in the Comox Valley, reach out to us at hightiderealestategroup.com, or better yet, give us a call at 250-207-0341. High tide or low tide, we're by your side.